Welcome back. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to download and install QGIS in Windows. So type in QGIS and you can see the website www.qgis.org. I'll be sharing the link in the description. You can directly click on this downloads, otherwise you can go to this website and you can find download over here, or you can view it at the top. So I'm going to click on the top download option. If you wish to donate any money to QGIS, you can do so. That will be greatly appreciated by QGIS. So let me skip and go to the download section right now. And currently you can see a long-term version for Windows 3.34 LTR is available, and the latest version of QGIS is also available. So mostly I'll be using the long-term version, that will be more stable and having a lesser bugs. So if you choose the latest version of QGIS, new tools will be there. That is the advantage. So I'm going to always choose a long-term version. So after choosing it, long-term version, you can see the download has been started. Let us wait for it to get finished and we'll be starting the installation process. So I need to tell you one more thing. The current QGIS versions are available in 64-bit version only. 32-bit version is not being supported. You can also download the installation guide. At the bottom you can find it. If you want, you can download it. So the downloading has been completed. Let us view it in File Manager and we'll be installing it shortly. So select the file, right click, and you can find install, or you can double click and start the installation procedure. So you can see a welcome note, and this is the setup wizard. Now click on next. We have to agree the terms and conditions. Next. If you want, you can create in desktop shortcuts or startup shortcuts. If you want, you can select it or unselect it. So I'll keep it as it is. Now click on install. The installation process will be as begin. Usually this process may take up to 10 to 15 minutes based on our system's capability. So the installation has been completed. Now click on finish. Now let us open the QGIS application. So in the search bar, just type in QGIS. QGIS desktop, and you can find the application. Click on it to open the application. So when you open it up, this is how QGIS looks like. So if you are interested in more videos on QGIS, please do comment. I will be putting more videos. If you are a beginner, I will be putting more videos, or you can request. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe everyone. Thank you.